How to merge duplicate contacts on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on contacts app. After click on contacts app, click on this three dot icon and click on settings. Now in contacts settings, you will see second option is merge duplicate contacts. After click on merge duplicate contacts, you will see by name, by email, by number, by email, by names is here. So you will see email and name contacts is here. So you will see duplicate contact is here. So click on select, and if you want to merge, click on merge. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can merge duplicate contacts on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.